Welcome to the exciting journey of chicken production. Join me as we explore the process from tiny newly hatched chicks to quality products on everyone's dinner table. From birth, chicks are carefully cared for in a warm, clean greenhouse environment. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to ensure that chicks grow healthily and evenly. Scientific nutrition, food supplemented with all necessary nutrients, helps chicks grow quickly and healthily. The farm applies modern technology, uses automatic feeders, convenient hanging water faucets, helping to save time and effort for farmers. After a period of nurturing, the chicks have grown and become healthy hens, ready for the egg-laying cycle. The barn system is designed to be airy and clean, helping the hens grow comfortably and lay quality eggs. The farm applies automatic egg harvesting technology, which helps collect eggs efficiently and minimizes the risk of egg breakage. The process of sorting, packaging, and transporting eggs is strictly controlled, ensuring that eggs reach consumers in the best condition. Broilers are raised in an ideal environment, ensuring food hygiene and safety standards. A nutritious diet helps broilers grow quickly and achieve high quality. After being sold, broilers are transported to the processing plant, according to food safety standards. The processing, packaging, and preservation are carried out professionally, ensuring that the chicken meat is always fresh and safe for consumers. At the end of the journey, quality chicken products are ready to hit the market, bringing delicious and nutritious meals to every family. We are committed to providing safe, quality chicken products, contributing to improving community health.